In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email template in Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own HTML email into Mautic, save it, and get it ready for sending or use in campaigns. Start by opening your Mautic account and logging in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation and head to Channels. Under Channels, select Emails. This is where all your email assets live and where we'll create a new one. Click the New button to create a fresh email. Mautic will ask what kind of email you want. Choose Segment Email if you're planning a one-time broadcast to a specific segment. Choose Template Email if you want to reuse this email inside automations and campaigns. Pick the option that matches how you intend to send it. Next, select the blank option as your starting template. We're doing this so we can paste in the complete HTML of your design without conflicting with pre-built layouts. After selecting blank, open the builder. Inside the builder, switch to the code editor. This is where you can directly manage the HTML for your email. You'll see default code in the editor. Erase everything in there so you're starting clean, then paste your email's HTML code. Before you paste, make sure your HTML is email safe. Use inline CSS, keep the layout table-based where needed, and host your images on a reliable server using absolute URLs. If you use Mautic tokens, such as contact merge fields, double-check that they're correctly formatted so personalization works as expected. Once your HTML is in place, save your work. Mautic may prompt you to apply changes. Confirm that to lock in the edits. After the save, you can continue to refine or configure your email. This is a good time to add a clear subject line, set the sender name and address that match your branded domain, and define a plain text version if you have one. You can also preview the email and run a quick test sent to verify links, images, and personalization tokens. If something doesn't render as expected, return to the code editor to adjust your HTML or inline styles. That's it, you've imported your HTML email into Mautic, saved it, and applied the changes. From here, you can schedule it as a segment send or use it as a reusable template in your campaigns. Keep your HTML clean, test on a couple of devices, and you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy sending.